Like, oh dear, he's going to upset them. God dear, Elliot, sounds like a bag of nails. Yeah, a burning bag of nails. Hang on, I suppose we better bring it back a bit. Ugh.
Close that window for it.
Huh? Whose are the lace knickers? Yours? Oh, it's 20 volt. Indicators. They actually work. And yes, it is a Kawasaki. And oh, see the mileage. And yes, this is cheap plastic.
But it works.
Arguably. Dear, you can really note the professionalism here, can't you? It's pretty about those wheels, isn't it? If I finish putting the spokes on them. It's just must be an oil leak on it somewhere. Let's get a drill. Oh, out of date tax, look. When does it run out? Yeah, you collect tax discs.
Another 4 or 5 months.
Oh dear, mine doesn't run out until next year. Oh, this blasted thing makes your eye ache trying to shut one eye all the time.
You can lift that up. Move it away.
Huh? Oh, I'm blowed. That's a bit easier. And this is a Pratt with a camera. You're filming. It's called ruining a film.
Yeah.
You think he knows what he's doing? Well, I don't think he knows what he's doing either.
Hold on.
Right, have you finished it?
Um,
Who wrapped this reindeer anyway?
it's called rubbish. And who is this juvenile delinquent just come through the door here? She anything to do with you? Just stuck her tongue out at you.
No.
You did.
I didn't.
Should he get the top out of it?
Are you trying to do that? You're like one of these models. They're trash.